Hey, thank you for joining me on today's video. I will be pretty much showing you how I wash my bundles, and I did get this hair from Fleeky Hair. And let's just go ahead and get right into the video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put all the bundles in the sink in this warm water. I'll go ahead and give it like a quick rinse off, and then I'll start to shampoo. And I did go ahead and use the Brazilian keratin treatment shampoo and the matching conditioner. And you definitely want to make sure that the hair is completely saturated. And be sure to go ahead and wash those wefts. The wefts can be dirty as well as the hair. You know, the hair does go through a process to get to us. So this is why I go ahead and wash my bundles before I install it in my hair. I have made the mistake of not washing my bundles, and when I tell you my hair itched like crazy, and not even just itching, but it just didn't hold the style well. So that's why I try to make sure that I shampoo my bundles before having them installed. I do only wash the bundles one time. I feel like, you know, if you wash it well enough, you shouldn't have to wash it 2 and 3 times. You can wash it a second time just to make sure, but I just do it once. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start fresh with some new water. I'll clean out the sink, get all that shampoo out, and I'll go ahead and just rinse these bundles. And you wanna make sure you get all of the soap out so that, you know, your conditioner can take well. I went ahead and filled up the sink with some more warm water. I put the conditioner in. You'll see me kind of flapping the conditioner around just to kind of get it, I guess, everywhere in the water. And then I'm gonna sit all 3 bundles in the sink. I'm gonna go ahead and finger detangle in the process, making sure that I get those wefts. And then I'm gonna go ahead and let these bundles sit in the sink for about 20 to 30 minutes. You could do longer if you want. And I don't know if it's just me, but I love to wash bundles. I just like to see people wash hair. It's just one of those satisfying things to me, especially when you can run your fingers through the bundles. These bundles are so soft and just so silky. Like I definitely enjoy washing this hair. Once I'm done rinsing out the conditioner, I'm gonna go ahead and lay it on a towel. I will wrap these bundles up I wrapped them up overnight, and then when I woke up, I realized that I left them like that. So I did go ahead and just take them out of the towel, and I let them air dry. And this is pretty much the results after shampooing and conditioning my hair. I just like to do this before I get it installed, just to make sure that they're clean as well as my hair. So if you want to see any future videos about this hair, how I keep it maintained, just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.